the oxygen right off, but we leave the prongs on her face just in case we have to turn it back on, okay? But I'm gonna turn it right off. I know, I'm not gonna do it.
That's what you're looking. Okay, let's see your food. Yay, good girl. Right, okay. I love baby. Yeah.
Code beige, stage 2. Code beige, stage 2. Code beige, stage 2. Refer to the IT service center for additional information. Thank you.
Good girl. Bye. Good girl. That's right. So that is Boo! See. Easy. Grosso, come and take it. You want this? You want this? You want sweet? I bring it in. So, thank you. Sorry. Thank you. What do you want? Hmm? Take. Good girl. I'm sorry, looking. What do you want? You want something? I want something. Take. Thank you. I eat. I eat. sunshine. That's so beautiful. Mommy. That's it. Sorry, sorry. Sorry. Hold it. Yummy. Like it. Yeah. If you're happy and you know what I'm saying, that's what I'm going to do. Sorry. Good girl. Okay, hold it. Now put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Something about you, girl. Man, you made my head turn. You're the light of my life. Can't wait to kiss you every night. There's something about you, girl. I'm hanging on every word. There's nothing I wouldn't do, baby, when it comes to loving.
Hold this. And the next. Your favorite. Take that, baby.